die. Till the day I die. Rebel souls, deserters we are called. Chose a gun and threw away the sword. Now these towns, they all know our name.
All right, what a mess. It's just a mess in there, but I'm getting outside and doing something today. I don't care. 60 degrees. I'm gonna try to pull all that slash back, make a big pile back there, and then I want to get in and clean all them cedars out. So I'll keep working my way around here. Yeah, that's what it looks like.
Behind a gun, I make my final stand. Hey, it's why they call me bad company, and I can deny. Bad company till the day I die. Rebel souls, deserters we are called. Chose a gun and threw away the sword. Now these towns, they all know our name. Six gun sound is our claim to fame.
I'm not even gonna bother grading today. It's just too darn wet. But I got all the brush and trees out that I wanted out, so that if I start building that here for too long, the water's gonna keep coming up here. I got either a burn or a push pile there. A little more dirt work I gotta do, but like I said, it's wet, it's sloppy. But it's taking shape. You know, this is just a cattle pond, but I just had to get out today since it's got nice out. It's freaking February, but hey, I'll take 60 for a nice day. You know, I could clean some of this chaff out. This is briars, but you get a lot of dirt and mud with it, so I'd rather let it dry a little bit more and come back one more time. But looking good, progress.